Want to become more self-aware and live in the present moment? Here are 5 simple ways to start your journey. Point 1. Practice daily reflection. Take 5 minutes each day to reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Write down what went well and what could be improved. This helps you recognize patterns in your behavior. Point 2. Focus on the present moment. Mindfulness is all about living in the present moment. Focus on what's happening right now. Try mindful activities like eating slowly, walking, or simply noticing your surroundings. Point 3. Practice meditation. Set aside 10 minutes a day for meditation to calm your mind and become more aware of your thoughts. Focus on your breathing and let your thoughts pass without judgment. Point 4. Be honest with yourself. Honesty with yourself is key to self-awareness. Accept your strengths and weaknesses without criticism. The more honest you are, the easier it becomes to grow and improve. Point 5. Listen to your inner voice. Your inner voice often guides you. Take time to listen and trust your instincts. When you're aware of your emotions and inner dialogue, you make better decisions. Start your journey today towards self-awareness and mindfulness. Subscribe for more tips on personal growth and mindfulness.